We're gonna do some welding.
Ah.
We're gonna.
You must be a professional welder of some sorts.
A professional amateur.
Let's see. Let's see what we got here. So the CRV has that pipe, and it's cracked right around there, and it's making this crazy noise. So we're gonna have to deal with that a little bit. While David does that, we put on some decals. It's my specialty, and we're putting on these rain guards. We'll catch back.
Clean the surface. So we'll just do some more water.
Use my towel. Good, clean surface. It's still black. The cleaner it is, the less black it'll be. We'll do this side too. Try not to jump over David.
I feel right at home.
So it's actually a 3M double-sided tape. You take this off and then you just stick it on. I actually did this one already. Okay. Stick it on. Make sure you press it down real nice. So it'll stay on. The whole key is to make sure you clean the surface. That way it can have a good place to stick onto. David's still under. Added this decal on. I'll peel it off right now. Hopefully these rings come off. Yes, they do. Okay. Ching. A new addition to the sticker slash decal square. I'm only putting decals here. Whoa. I'm only putting small decals here. I'm gonna be adding the Sashimi Samurai Mix on these two windows. Sashimi right here, Samurai right here. It's already prepped. Let's see.
Should we go acquire some spray
What?
paint?
Wait, I might have some in my trunk.
Cool.
Looks like
That's
inside a
one
chicken
piece
coop,
again.
but it's good.
Wait, where was the other piece?
What?
The other piece that was leaking.
It was like right here.
Oh, okay.
Glop some metal right there, and it's good.
All right.